Hello, this is Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com, and this is your free daily Forex video for September 23rd, 2009. Quick reminder before I begin, the purpose of this free daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendations, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky, so please don't trade any real money until you've established a proven track record of success on a demo account. Trading conditions are always changing, so make sure to watch tomorrow's video to stay updated. As expected, we continue to see further dollar losses. Today's Fed rate announcement along with the FOMC statement will be the important news of the day. Even though traders don't expect a change in interest rates, we will be monitoring the words chosen to describe the current outlook for future monetary policy along with the general summary of current economic conditions. Once again, we will focus on market direction following the release, as we should see a continuation of more dollar losses. If the FOMC statement is more dovish than expected, then we may see profit taking as equity markets may fall and money will be sent back to the States for the safe haven play. Alright folks, let's cover the support and resistance levels for the majors. Currently looking at the euro dollar on the daily. Current price is 147.89. As you can see, yesterday's bar broke through that 147.62 area and closed higher near the 148.20. We're almost near our first profit target in our members section, just above that 148.20 level. First area of support for the euro can now be found at 147.62. This was the previous pivot high. Below that, we're going to see 146.80 and 146.50. Below 146.50 is 146.10 and 145.61. First area of resistance for the euro could be found at 148.20 and 148.65. Above that, we have 150. Next up, we have the pound dollar, currently trading at 163.50. First area of resistance for the pound could be found at 164, followed by 166. Below the 163.50 area, we're going to find support at 162.60, followed by 162 and 161.50. Below 161.50, we have 161.10 and 160.60. First area of resistance is 164, followed by 166 and 167.36. Let's go ahead now and take a look at the dollar Swissy. One second here while they get the chart in order. Currently trading in 102.37. As you can see, we broke below the 102.80 level. Now trading lower at the 102.37 level. We did go as low as 102, but to bounce back a bit. First area of support for the dollar could be found at that 102 level, followed by 101.30 and 1 even. First area of resistance could be found at 102.80. This was the previous level, previous level of support for the dollar. Now as going to be acting as resistance, followed by 103 even. Now there's going to be quite a bit of perhaps a wick up to the 103, 103.20 level. So keep in mind that this resistance level for the dollar is going to be between the 102.80 and the 103.20. Very tough to say exactly where, but I do anticipate a wick up into the 103.20 level if it breaks the 102.80. Above 103.20, we have 104 and 104.20. Above that is 105.50. First area of support for the dollar is going to be found at 102, followed by 101.30, one figure, and 98.80. Just wanted to repeat those numbers. Next up, we have the dollar yen as the final pair to look at, currently trading at 91.16. Another loss we saw yesterday here. Equity markets continue to remain near the highs. Today's FOMC statement along with the interest rate decision may impact the markets across the board. We hope to see further equity deterioration below the 9,800 level, below the 9,500 level on the Dow, into the 9,000 before the end of the year. Perhaps today's interest rate announcement along with the FOMC statement may cause that to occur, or at least may begin the process along with the process of the dollar getting better. Our first area of support could be found at 90.80, followed by 90.20 and 90 even. Below 90, we're going to see 88.55 and 87.12. First area of resistance is going to be found at 91.60, 92, 92.50, and 94. Above 94, excuse me, 93.14. Above 93.14 is going to be 94.40. If you'd like a more detailed analysis with potential trade opportunities, please join us in the members section. This has been Alex Kaczmarek for the FXEdge.com free daily Forex video for September 23rd, 2009. Until tomorrow, good luck trading.